Hi, let's look at this factorization question here. We are given this expression 2x squared minus 8y squared equals to 0. Now, in order to factorize this, we must know some of our factorization rules or shortcut methods. And one of the rules is when I have an expression that says a squared minus b squared, that is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Now the important thing to note here is when we say a square minus b square, we must not look at it as just a single uh, uh, unknown variable or a single number. We can think of a and b as a object, okay, a combined object a square minus another object b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So a is there to represent an object which could make up of a few variables or a number and a variable together. All right, now what we need to do is we now need to see how this expression here 2x squared minus 8y squared can be represented, all right, in the form of an object square minus another object square. All right, let's see how we can first see in terms of the square. For x square and y square, since they're already squared terms, that is fine. Now we need to look at the coefficients. All right, 2 by itself, we can't square root it, and again 8 by itself we can't square root it. When I say we can't square root it, means we can't get a complete whole number from it. Now what we can do is we can actually factorize out the 2. Now if I factorize out the 2, what remains is x squared minus 4y squared. Alright, now with this, what you see is the coefficient of x squared is 1. So 1x can be an object together with a square. Now 4, we know 4 is 2 squared. Correct? So let's write that now over here. So what I have here is x squared minus 2 square y squared, square root. Now 2 square y squared. This comes back to our indices rule that says that AM multiplied by BM is the same as ABM. Alright, two different bases with the same power multiplied together. It is the same as multiplying the bases together and having a common power outside. That means I can now rewrite this expression as 2 bracket x square minus 2y square close bracket. Now what do we see? We see that this is one object square, subtract another object square. If we relate this expression to this original expression here, we can see that a is x and b is 2y. Alright, with that we can now directly replace a and b in this expression with the x and 2y. So what you will get here is 2, so I'm going to put a big bracket here, x plus 2y, this is a plus b, alright, the first term here, and followed by x minus 2y, this is a minus b, alright, and close the big bracket here. So that is the final answer for this question here. As you can see, if you know the factorization rules and some shortcut methods together with, of course, the indices rule, all right, it is easy to have an idea of how to approach a question the moment you see the expression. So whenever you see something like this where you have an object square subtract another object square, you should know that the direction you should be taking is towards achieving this expression over here of a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.